The i44 error on your AEG dishwasher usually means there's a drainage issue, foam buildup, or sometimes just a small glitch in the system. It's often tied to the filter being clogged or too much detergent being used. Here's how you can try to fix it. First thing to try is simply restarting the dishwasher. Unplug it from the wall, or, if that's hard to reach, turn off the power at the breaker. Wait a couple of minutes, then plug it back in or flip the breaker on. Try starting a different wash cycle and see if the error goes away. A simple reboot like that can sometimes clear the problem and get the sensors working normally again. If the restart doesn't work, check the filter. Take out the bottom filter and see if there's any food, bits, soap residue, or gunk clogging it up. Also, look into the sump area below the filter for leftover detergent or foam. Rinse everything under the tap and make sure the filter is properly seated before putting it back. Using the wrong detergent or too much of it can create excess suds, which might be what's triggering the error. If you're still getting the i44 code, try a deeper reset. Unplug the dishwasher or shut off the breaker and leave it off for at least an hour. If possible, leave it overnight. This helps clear any lingering electrical charge and resets the internal sensors more thoroughly than a quick reboot. If none of that works, it could be a mechanical issue like a weak pump, faulty drainage sensor, or blocked internal hose. At that point, your best bet is to contact AEG support and let them know you're seeing the i44 error and what steps you've already tried. This helps them guide you faster and prevents unnecessary service delays.